Hi, and welcome to Outdoor Adventure. This is Alice. Today we're going to be making a bird feeder using objects that we can find around the house. The first thing that we're going to be using is cut up apples. Make sure that you ask a grown-up to help cut them up. We also are going to be using seeds. These are sunflower seeds and they have no salt and no oil on them. They are called raw seeds. We are also going to be using a pine cone with string wrapped around it so that it is able to hang up. The first thing that you're going to do is tie the string around the pine cone. You are then going to put the chopped up fruit and seeds into the pine cone. You can see that I'm putting the apple pieces into the pine cone and then also placing the seeds in the pine cone. By providing a bird feeder, you are giving birds food all year round. You're also helping birds get energy if they are migrating. And during the springtime, you're helping parent birds feed their baby birds. Now, you could use any kind of fruit or seed you'd like, but I used what I had in my refrigerator. Once you have used all of your fruit and seeds, you are going to hang your bird feeder from a branch. I was able to find a branch in my front yard. Make sure that you are able to see your bird feeder from a window. That way, you're able to make observations about what kind of birds come to your bird feeder. I can't wait to see what kind of birds I am able to see. Have a great day!